In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use the Binance Reward Hub. This guide will walk you through the steps to access your rewards, claim available vouchers, and utilize them during your trading activities. Begin by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance app on your device. Once the application is launched, enter your login credentials to access your account. If prompted, complete any additional security verification, such as two-factor authentication, to ensure your account's safety. After successfully logging in, locate the account center within the interface. This section is typically found in the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. Once you're in the account center, look for the option labeled Reward Hub or My Rewards. Click on this option to open the Reward Hub interface. Once you are in the Reward Hub, you will see a list of available rewards and vouchers. Take a moment to review the vouchers that are currently available to you. To claim any of these rewards, tap on the specific voucher that interests you. If you are eligible to claim it, a button labeled Claim will appear. Click on this button to successfully claim the reward. After claiming your rewards, it is important to understand how to use them. The rewards you have claimed will automatically apply during your trading activities, provided they are valid and within their expiry date. Make sure to check the expiry date and any specific conditions associated with each reward to maximize their benefits. Keep in mind that the size of your rewards and the speed at which they can be claimed may depend on your trading activity and the overall conditions set by Binance. If you encounter any issues or have questions regarding your claimed rewards, consult the help section within the Binance platform for further assistance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.